Computers handle various tasks from simple browsing to complex processes like editing videos or playing advanced games. However, when tasks like rendering high-quality 3D graphics or running visually intense applications are assigned to the main processor, it can slow down other operations. They are specialized processors designed for specific tasks that can handle such demanding tasks efficiently without overloading the CPU. But what exactly performs these specific tasks? Let's understand this by answering a question. What is the main purpose of a graphics coprocessor? The options are to handle all types of computing operations, to enhance specific tasks like displaying 3D images and encrypting data, to manage network communication and internet connectivity, to store large amounts of data. Let's talk about each option. To handle all types of computing operations. GPUs are not meant for all kinds of operations. They are specialized processors designed for specific tasks. To enhance specific tasks like displaying 3D images and encrypting data. GPUs are built to handle high-quality visuals, render 3D images, and even perform data-intensive computations like encryption or AI tasks. To manage network communication and internet connectivity. Network communication is handled by network interface cards or other networking devices, not GPUs. To store large amounts of data. GPUs are not storage devices. They process data, whereas storage is managed by hard drives, SSDs, or external storage units. So, the correct answer is to enhance specific tasks like displaying 3D images and encrypting data. Graphic processing units are specialized coprocessors designed to take over specific tasks that would otherwise burden the CPU. For example, when playing a high-definition game or editing videos, the GPU is responsible for rendering the images, animations, and effects. This allows the CPU to concentrate on other essential tasks like controlling the game mechanics or managing input from the user. GPUs excel at handling repetitive, data-heavy operations, such as processing pixels for graphics or running algorithms in artificial intelligence, because they have hundreds or thousands of small cores designed to work on multiple parts of a task simultaneously. As a coprocessor, the GPU works alongside the CPU rather than replacing it. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book in detail.